Let's face it, folks, Canada's weather doesn't mess around. We've got snow piled high one day and howling winds the next. That's why your backyard buildings need a foundation that can handle anything Mother Nature throws at it. We're talking about your sheds, your garages, your greenhouses, those structures that protect your stuff and your hobbies. A weak foundation means a weak structure, and nobody wants to see their hard work crumble under the weight of winter. Choosing the right foundation is about more than just keeping things level. It's about ensuring stability, preventing moisture damage, and guaranteeing the longevity of your building. Remember, a solid foundation is a solid investment. When it comes to foundations, you've got options: dirt, concrete, and gravel. Each has its pros and cons, especially when you factor in Canada's challenging climate. Dirt is the most basic and affordable option, but it's also the most vulnerable to moisture and frost heave. Concrete is the gold standard for strength and durability, but it can be pricey. Gravel falls somewhere in between, offering decent drainage and stability at a reasonable cost. The best choice for you depends on the size and purpose of your structure, your budget, and the specific climate conditions in your region. Let's break down each option. Dirt foundations are exactly what they sound like: compacted earth that serves as the base for your structure. They're the most affordable option, and for smaller, lighter structures in relatively dry climates, they can be a viable choice. However, dirt foundations are highly susceptible to moisture. Heavy rains can erode the soil, and frost heave can cause the ground to shift, leading to cracks and instability. In areas with heavy snowfall, dirt foundations are generally not recommended. If you do opt for a dirt foundation, it's crucial to ensure proper drainage to direct water away from the structure. Additionally, using pressure-treated lumber for the base of your structure can help prevent rot and insect damage.